Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs, welcome back to our channel where we are on the mission to turn your online dreams into reality. If you're ready to skyrocket your e-commerce business, you're in the right place. Today's video is a game changer because we're diving into the best marketing methods that will propel your e-commerce business to new heights. If you are ready to transform your passion into profit, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So did you know that in the next 5 years, e-commerce sales are projected to hit a staggering $6.5 trillion worldwide? Now, imagine grabbing a slice of that pie for yourself. Now, imagine this, turning a small online store into a thriving business that generates massive revenue. Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around because today's video is packed with strategies that will make this dream a reality for you. So picture this, not too long ago, I was just like you, hungry for success in the vast world of e-commerce. I faced challenges, made mistakes, but through it all, I learned valuable lessons that transformed my business. And today, I'm here to share those lessons with you. So the first one is know your audience inside out. So the first step in any successful e-commerce venture is understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they need? By crafting detailed buyer personas, you tailor your marketing efforts precisely, hitting the bullseye every time. And then second lesson was the power of social media marketing. Social media isn't just a platform for sharing kids' videos, it's a goldmine for e-commerce. From Instagram to Facebook, harnessing the power of social media marketing can skyrocket your brand's visibility. You can use social media as a way for you to promote your products, to get them to stand out in the crowded digital space, and for people to know about your products. So social media marketing is such a powerful tool for your business. Next lesson was crafting compelling content. So content is king, and in the e-commerce realm, it's your secret weapon. Whether it's stunning product images, persuasive product description, or captivating blog posts, creating compelling content is key to attracting and retaining customers. Engaging blog posts, videos, and social media content not only drive traffic but also builds a loyal community around your brand. Next up was mastering SEO. So picture this, you have a fantastic product but no one can find it. That's where search engine optimization comes in. If you want your e-commerce store to be found in the vast online landscape, mastering SEO is non-negotiable. Mastering keywords research, meta tags, on-page optimization, links, and other SEO strategies will ensure your brand rises to the top of the search results. The other powerful thing is influencer partnerships. Tap into the power of influencers. So partnering with influencers in your niche can expose your brand to a broader audience. Authentic recommendations from trusted voices can be the game changer your business needs. So if you want to expand your reach exponentially to the world of influencer marketing, identify the right influencers and negotiate collaborations for your brand. Make sure they have the audience you want to target and they have some influence on their audience to take action and drive traffic to your site and buy your products. Another powerful tool is email marketing. Oh, don't underestimate the power of inbox. Craft compelling email campaigns, nurture your leads, and turn one-time buyers into lifelong customers. It's not just about selling, it's about building relationships. Building an email list, implementing effective email marketing campaigns can turn casual visitors into loyal customers. Make sure to send out emails regularly to build on this relationship, making sure you are sending a variety of different types of emails to nurture that relationship and help convert them into buyers. There you have it, the ultimate e-commerce marketing blueprint. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and dedication, but armed with these strategies, you are well on your way. Which strategy are you most excited to implement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have found value in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your e-commerce besties. Together, let's build thriving online business. See you next time. This is Rudo. Keep hustling, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.